Let's read something from The Complete Incense book by Susanne Fischer Rizzi. Namaste everyone and welcome to Incense Show with DJ. In our second episode, we're doing again the incense reading, and today let's read the introduction chapter from the book The Complete Incense book by Susanne Fischer Rizzi. And again, as usual, you might want to treat this as a podcast, so just let it play in the background while I give you company in whatever you're doing. So let's start now. It says, Introduction, Incense Burning. What is it? Incense burning is the process of letting aromatic substances, particularly those from the plant world, burn slowly over a heat source such as a charcoal, cone, or a candle. The resulting smoke drifts in the air, carrying the scent throughout the room. The smoke contains psychoactive, physical, and emotionally effective substances. Every ancient culture practiced incense burning, producing rich and unique knowledge. Incense burning stimulates the senses in many different ways. The nose perceives the scent and the eyes follow the delicate smoke as it moves in the air, creating endlessly different shapes and spirals. We experience the warmth of the fire when we light the candle and observe how the black color of the charcoal slowly begins to glow. Sand, pottery containers, and various other vessels connected with incense burning appeal to our tactile senses. Incense burning provides us with a direct and immediate experience. It is the foundation of today's aromatherapy as well as that of the perfume industry. The word perfume comes from the Latin word perfumum, which means through smoke. For our ancestors in every culture, life without incense burning was inconceivable. Its sacred purpose was to convey messages to the heavens, to carry prayers to their destination. And to this day, it deepens and supports prayer and meditation in all major religions. Our ancestors also used incense burning to disinfect living spaces, sick beds, and animal stalls. They believed it healed the sick. They used it to make clothing and other objects smell good, to influence dreaming, to create visions, to improve the acoustics in churches, and for many other purposes. Today, only a few people have detailed information about incense burning. For some, the subject evokes unpleasant memories from their childhood. For instance, frankincense reminds many of us of a time when our parents forced us to go to church. Only a few people are aware of the fact that different substances used for incense burning create different effects. Unfortunately, the ancient art of incense burning was almost lost. In our time, in times past, burning incense was a way of sending sacred messages to the heavens. Pleasant smoke drifted in a column towards the sky. In the process, the mortals present were pleasantly entertained and began to feel better. If we continue this story into the present and we ask ourselves what kind of fragrances we send towards the sky, we would have to admit that our noses, as well as those of the gods, are sorely tired and stressed. Chimneys, cars, and industrial plants are throwing rather unpleasant scents into the air. In ancient times, people could have considered this a crime against the gods. And although we have little scientific proof, it is most certainly true that the presence of such industrial smoke does not make us feel better. More likely than not, we become sick from it. Even indoors, we are exposed to tainted aromas, usually in the form of artificial fragrances. Instinctively, we keep searching for natural fragrances with which to surround ourselves. During the last 10 years, the interest in aromatherapy has been constantly growing. Today, essential oils, the liquid and volatile substances of plants, are enjoying great popularity. Our long neglected sense of smell, mistreated for so long with foul smells from industry, is awakening again. Science is discovering how very important the sense of smell is in human life. And many people who have been dealing with essential oils during the last couple of years are also becoming aware of the practice of incense burning. They are interested in discovering the fundamentals involved in aromatherapy. The resurgence of interest in spiritual wisdom and renewed search for religious significance have also awakened an interest in incense burning. In ancient cultures, people used incense burning to support intellectual and emotional activities and experiences. Today, when the emphasis in Western culture is so heavily oriented toward the external, our desire is growing for things that can connect us to the inner spiritual values that reach beyond our harried daily living. We are searching for a new connection to nature. Our short-term thinking, which is geared to the exploitation of nature, is going to destroy our living space. In ancient cultures, incense burning was a way of joining with the energy that surrounded us. In order to receive messages and understand connections, during incense burning, a plant reveals to us its power, its essence, and its wisdom. In the past, people understood this instinctively. If we pay careful attention when we burn incense, we can get in touch with nature, with the secrets of the plants, and with the mysteries of the energy of plants. In return, we will receive emotional enrichment. The original ritual purpose of incense burning was to unlock the ancient wisdom of the connection between man and plant. Then let's read about the when and why of incense burning. From the many different ways available to burn incense, here are some of the most important. Burning incense to cleanse the atmosphere. Burning incense to calm and reduce anxiety, stress, and fear. And burning incense for revitalization, stimulation, and energy renewal. So let's read this burning incense to calm and reduce anxiety, stress, and fear. Fragrances influence our emotional and mental moods. They can stimulate, calm, and harmonize. For the situations mentioned above, we use incense that has a direct and relaxing influence on the psyche. The incense burning may take place in the evening, possibly supported by relaxing background music and candlelight. Allow all your tensions and troubles to dissipate along with the fragrant smoke. Of course, you may also burn incense just for the sheer pleasure of it. Special incense for relaxations: cinnamon, benzoin, sandalwood, golden copal, sandalwood, storax, anise, costus, saffron, amber pine, galbanum, and propolis. And then she's given some names of recipes which are Gulistan, breath of the soul, blue dragonfly on a lotus leaf, afternoon of a fawn, harmony, Lugal Banda, Busame, Kifi, Greek temple incense, and island of the blessed. So that's all for today. We'll meet again for another reading. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked the reading and if you would like me to do more of such readings. Also, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I'll be providing the link of this wonderful book in the description box below in case you wish to buy it. And before I sign off, it's important that I let you know that this book was sent to me by a very dear friend, and she sent it to me all the way from America. So thanks, Bonnie, for this wonderful book. Thank you so much. And thanks everyone for being here with me for this reading, and I hope you enjoyed it. Till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.